Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi paper at home. First, you'll need dried seaweed, water, and a good blender. Begin by soaking about 10 grams of dried nori in 250 milliliters of water for 15 minutes until it softens. This rehydrates the seaweed, making it easier to blend into a smooth paste. The goal is to achieve a consistent mixture that will form a flexible, thin sheet, perfect for rolling your favorite sushi. Once your nori is rehydrated, transfer it to a blender and process until it becomes a completely smooth, uniform paste. You want absolutely no lumps for a perfect sheet. Next, carefully spread this paste very thinly and evenly onto a dehydrator tray lined with a non-stick sheet. Use an offset spatula to achieve a consistent thickness across the entire surface. This step is crucial for creating a strong, flexible sushi paper. Now, place your trays into a dehydrator set to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the sheets to dry for approximately 8 hours, or until they are completely crisp and pliable, not brittle. Once fully dehydrated, carefully peel the nori sheets from the nonstick liners. Using a sharp knife or scissors, cut your homemade sushi paper into standard 7-inch by 8-inch rectangles. These dimensions are ideal for rolling various sushi types. Your homemade sushi paper is now ready to use. Store any unused sheets in an airtight container in a cool, dry place where they will remain fresh for up to 3 months. These versatile sheets are perfect for crafting delicious sushi rolls, making healthy wraps, or simply enjoying as a crispy, savory snack. For more great kitchen tools and deals, including fantastic leak-proof containers to simplify your meal prep, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Happy rolling!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.